This is our Project Cara 1990 BMW 30. It's got rust, faded paint, and an interior that's crying for help. Over the next few weeks, we'll be tackling everything: bodywork, engine restoration, and a full interior makeover. Let's dive in. Before any restoration, we need to assess the damage. The rust on the wheel arches, the chipped paint, the cracks on the dashboard, these are our starting points. But don't worry, we've got a plan. Step 1 is disassembly. Every part of the car needs to come off so we can work on it from the ground up. This is where patience meets precision. Next up, the bodywork, welding to fix structural integrity, sanding to smooth out imperfections, and priming to prepare for that flawless paint job. The paint job is where the magic happens. We're going for the iconic Alpine white, a color that screams BMW style and class. Just look at that shine. Under the hood, it's all about performance. We're giving the engine a full rebuild, new pistons, a cleaned out intake manifold, and upgraded spark plugs for better efficiency and power. The interior gets a luxury upgrade. From leather seats to a modernized dashboard, we're blending vintage charm with contemporary comfort. Now it's time to put everything back together. Every bolt, every panel, every detail counts. This is where the car comes alive again. And here it is, the final reveal. From a forgotten relic to a stunning showpiece, this BMW 30 is ready to turn heads and hit the road in style. If you enjoyed watching this transformation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic restoration projects. Let us know in the comments which car we should restore next.